I'm glad you're here. We need to know how to do these. So let's go ahead and check this out. For these guys here, we need to first of all figure out which of the variables we want to eliminate. The ones that I kind of like to eliminate are the y's, because I've got a positive and a negative, and they're kind of nice, and then the 2 and the 4 I think could easily go together. So these are what I'm going to put together. Now when I do that, I think I need Dr. Seuss pencil. Look at this pencil. Dr. Seuss, come on. Awesome. All right. TJ gave this to me, just so you know. All right, so this is the first one. I just copied it carefully. And here I'm going to multiply everything by 2. And so that will turn out to be a negative 2. So I need to be very careful. So 4, negative 2, positive 2, and 4. Do you see how slow? I don't need to go that slow, but I do so that I don't make a mistake. So my y's are going to disappear. 5 and 7 and 3. Now you don't know this, but as I did this, I did it and then double checked. I did this and then I double checked. I did this and I double checked. Because if you're going to find a mistake, you got to do it in the double check. You're probably not going to find it at the very end. So now I have eliminated one of the y's. I need to do that again. So I'm going to put these two together. Why? Because I can easily make those guys opposite of each other. So I'm going to copy this one very carefully. Take 1 second. Look at that, I already messed up. Take 1 second, check, positive, negative, positive, positive. Then I need these to be opposites of each other. So I'm going to multiply through by negative 2. Now I got to be careful anytime I get a negative. So this is going to be negative 2, negative 4, negative 10, and positive 2. Double check. Negative, 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 positive. Put them together. Now again, you needed to make sure you got rid of the same variable. So I got rid of y last time, I get rid of y this time. So x minus 14z equals, what, 16? Okay. So now I need to get rid of another variable. I don't really want to get rid of the x because then I'm going to multiply by 5, and I don't even know what these things times 5 is. But look at this. I can easily change this into a 14. That would be better. And it's already negative, so if I multiply through by a 2, it's going to cancel out. So this is going to give me a 10 and a positive 14 and a 6. Let's double check that. 10, 2 times 7 is 14, 3 times 2 is 6. So I get 11x is equal to 22. Oh, I am probably right because that looks gorgeous. So x is equal to 2. Now I just plug it back in. So let's go back over here and plug in 2. So we have 5 times 2 plus 7z equals 3. So move the 10 over here. So subtract 10, that's what, negative 7. Sorry, that's a z, isn't it? Hello, I just said z and wrote x. Awesome. Z. And when I divide that, z is equal to negative 1. Now that I have 2 of the values, I can pick whatever one I want. I don't think it really matters. We'll put it in the top one because they're all positives. So we have 2 plus 2y plus 5 times negative 1 equals negative 1. So this is negative 5 and 2, which is negative 3. And then when I put that over there, I end up getting 2, and then y is equal to 1. So everything seemed to work out nice, which kind of makes me feel good. I used the first one to plug it in, so I'm just going to plug it into the bottom one and see if it really works. So 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 4 is 4. Negative 1 times negative 4 is positive 4. And that is equal to 14. Yay! I'm done, and it's right, and happy days. Not too bad. You really just need to be careful.